Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Xerox WorkCentre 3025 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds, center it. Here we find many options, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Xerox WorkCentre 3025 driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.xerox.com or the xerox.com. Go to the official website of the Xerox. I go to the first link. I open the first link. Okay, here we find the product support, our printer name WorkCentre 3025, our printer name. After that, here select driver and download. If it's not select, then select it. After that, go to the here select platform. In a select platform, select Windows 10, select Windows 10, plain Windows 10 if your machine is 32-bit. If your machine is 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit x64. Select that. In a category, select driver. In a language, select any language that you want. I select English. You can select any language that you want. I select English Global. And in a tag, I don't select anything and click on the apply filter. Okay. After that, scroll down. Here we find WorkCentre software installer pack, or here we find our printer driver utility version 1.1.0. okay, Xerox WorkCentre 3025 Windows printer drivers utility version. You can select this also a full software, or select this. I go to the here and select Xerox WorkCentre 3025 Windows print drivers utility version number is whatever version name. I go to the second one and click on I agree terms and condition and click on the download, and download is started at the top. It's also work with these options. Also be patient and wait for a few seconds to download to complete on our PC or laptop. Here we find the upward download. It's take few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes to complete our download. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is almost completed. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and there are two ways to install it. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our new options are pop up in a few seconds. It start installation. Here we find install software. Don't click on anything, click on the install software. Here we find many options in install software. Here are four options, four IMP options. USB connection. If you select USB connection, make sure you attach your USB cable from printer to your PC or laptop and make sure your printer is power on. Okay, after if you select network connection, it's use your Ethernet connection. Make sure Ethernet connection is on your PC or laptop. Then network connection, select network connection. And if you want to use wireless network connection, there are two options to do the wireless connection on this. First option is select your router name or the SSID or your Wi-Fi name on your printer and add password of that Wi-Fi. And after that, go to this option. Okay, and second option is very simple. Attach your USB cable from PC to laptop to your printer and click on the wireless network connection and install that. It's automatically detect your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on and after that install it. Okay, and last option is if you don't want to connect your printer by these three ways, and connect to your printer and after that add your wireless network or the USB connection, Then select this last option. I select USB. You can select wireless network connection and make sure your Wi-Fi is on your PC or laptop, and your Wi-Fi and printer are on the same Wi-Fi router. Okay, that is the IMP. I select USB connection and click on the next. After that, it's automatically detect your USB connection. If it's not find your USB connection, then it show an error. After that, here you find some option. It's automatically select some options, and if you want to fax and other things and the wireless setup also, Wi-Fi connection also, then select this. I don't, so I select 4 options. And if you want to change your name or the share this printer, then click on advanced option, then click on the share this printer. And if you want to change name, then change it from here. I don't, so I click on the OK and click on the next. After that, installation is started. It's first install our Xerox WorkCentre 3025 printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. After scanner driver is installed, scanner drivers are also very important for our PC or laptop. And after that, it's installed print manager. Print manager is also IMP, and then after that, it's installed many other documents and other things. And after these all things are completed on our PC or laptop, it's asked for the next process. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install this printer driver on our PC or laptop. Don't do anything, don't cancel it, don't do anything. It's take few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, to be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly install these basic drivers on our PC. After that, click on the finish. Our printer is installed. Click on the cancel. I don't want to register. Exit registration. And after that, if you want to check our printer is properly installed or not, go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Xerox WorkCentre 3025, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.